Valença, also known as Valença do Minho, is a historic town in northern Portugal. When I began my EuroVelo 1 journey in February 2026, it was the southernmost point of the route. However, in April 2026, the route was extended to Fisterra in Galicia, Spain. The extension crosses the River Minho via the old railway bridge to Tui and continues west along the river towards A Guarda. The town's origins date back to Roman times, with 2 Roman roads still surviving today. Its military importance began in the 12th century, when the town was known as Contrasta. In the 13th century, King Afonso III renamed it to Valença and began building the fortress that would play a key role in defending Portugal over the centuries. Valença's fortress remains the town's main attraction. Despite suffering damage through various conflicts, it has been carefully restored and is well preserved today. The historic road and railway bridge over the Minho River, built in 1879, marked the starting point of my EuroVelo 1 adventure. Today, Valença is a lively town of around 15,000 residents, with tourism at the heart of its economy. I spent several nights there, first staying in a free parking area outside the fortress, which was popular with other motorhome travelers. During my stay, I bought a Portuguese SIM card, enjoyed local restaurants, and stocked up with supplies. Before leaving, I spent 2 nights at a private motorhome site where I could refill water tanks and dispose of waste. If you're watching this in YouTube, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're watching this in Instagram or Facebook, please do follow us for more updates. If you have any questions about the town or the EuroVelo 1 route, please do leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.